Hi! Welcome to my third Tagalog Java tutorial. And today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-run ng Java program using the command prompt. So, go ahead and open your command prompt. Bali, ang una natin gagawin ay magko-compile tayo ng program. So, pag magko-compile, tinatransform ng computer yung source code, which is in a human readable form, into a machine code, which is in a computer executable form. Bali, yung computer, hindi niya kayang i-run yung .java na file natin. So, i-convert natin siya from .java to .class. Ngayon, puntahan natin yung drive kung saan nakasave yung file natin, yung .java file natin. So, ito yung sa akin. Sa X drive ko, sa workspace folder. So, type in natin kung anong name ng drive. And then, type in dir sa command prompt para mapakita yung laman ng drive na yon. So, ito yung mga folders inside my X drive. So, para puntahan tong workspace folder, type in cd, then yung name ng folder, we have workspace, hit enter. Then, type in dir ulit para may pakita yung laman ng loob ng workspace folder. So, eto na siya. We have our file hello.java. So, for us to compile yung .java class, type in JAVAC or javac, then yung name ng file. So, java hello.java. Enter. And then, type ulit natin yung dir. So, kung mapapansin niyo kanina, wala tong hello class na to. Ito siya kanina, hello Java lang. So, ibig sabihin nun, nakapag-convert na tayo ng Java file into a class file. So, to open it or to run it, type in Java, then yung pangalan ng class. So, Java hello. Then, enter. So, kung papansin niyo nag-run na siya, it shows the line, everything I need comes to me, which is yung nasa program natin. So, that's it. Sa susunod na tutorial, we'll teach you naman on how to run a program using IDE. Thank you.